Hi, welcome to the Quick City Workshop. My name is Christoph and I'm busy building an antique looking etching press. Last week I came as far as building the main frame. The chassis of the etching press is put together, and if you didn't see that video, please go back to the part 2 of the series. This week I am going to make legs for this frame, wooden legs, and I've got here 2 pieces of timber, and it is very rough. It's oak, and I'm just going to put it through the planer and enjoy watching as I work. Now that the 4 legs are planed and cut size to the right height, what I want to do now is there's some imperfections on the wood. As you can see, this is reclaimed timber, so there's some holes here and there's a hole there, and then especially this piece here, it's very rough. There's some cracks there, so I'm going to choose the best 4 corners, and then I'm going to mark out how I want to recess this so that the steel of the frame is flush with the wood. So I have to router out and cut out a piece so that it goes in and it's flush with the wood. But to do that, I need to choose the best corners. So as you can see, I just copied that mirrors what's going to happen on this side will happen on the other side as well, and I'm just going to do all this together. This is a recess for that bolt there. You can see there's a bracket there that's in the way. So that bracket, I want the wood to go all the way up there, and that bracket needs to be in, and I'm doing it firstly because after this is done, then it's easier for me to get the wood in there to mark exactly this line here so that I can cut the wood. Please mark exactly there where this line is. And do that to each one of the legs. As you can see, the wood is routed in such a way that it fits in that place there, and it will then become flush flush with the steel. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit all 4 of these legs in this way. I need to drill the holes according to those holes in the laser cutting. So as you can see, the gap is not perfect, so I marked with a pencil the area that I need to take out so that this can make a nice joint there. Same on the side. And then I drill after this is right, and this is lined up. And I make sure that the leg is 90 degrees with the frame. Then I drill the holes through and I put the bolts in like this. This leg is done. It's the bolts in place. On the other side, my bolts recessed in the wood there. The nuts and the joint where the wood comes together with the steel is flush. Now the top parts are finished and they fit. The bottom where the wheels are going to go, I want to reinforce the wood so that it doesn't split easily. So I've got it's a tubing, steel tubing that is the same size as the wood, more or less. And all I need to do is also recess the wood here so that this fits over the wood, and that will also protect the wood from splitting at the bottom. to the end of this week's episode, and what I have here is a completed frame, the legs on the frame, and next week we'll start with the mechanical parts, the rollers, and starting to fit all the moving parts to the press. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next week.